My name is Prathamesh Prashant Kate, and today's technical topic that's name is what is JDK, JVM, JRE, and JVM. So let's today's date is 8th February 2024. So let's start. Uh, Java is a uh, Java is a object-oriented, high-level programming language that provide a user interface uh, to uh, to the user. Java is a platform independent and easy to learn, easy to understand for user. And in this program, there are three types of components in use. That's name is one is JDK, second is JRE, and for third one is JVM. So let's start. JDK means Java Development Kit. The JDK is a software development kit user to develop Java application and applets. It include a set of tools, executable, binary, and libraries for developing, compiling, and debugging to running the Java program. Components: compiler, translator, translate Java source code into bytecode. Java development tool like JDT. Various tools for development such as Java C compiler, Java, JRE, and others. Debuggers. Tool for debugging Java applets like applets debugging Java applications. Java API libraries, standard libraries, and API application programming interface from Java. Uh, documentation Java doc and other documentation resource. Second one is this is a second one is a JRE. JRE means Java runtime environment. uh, JRE The JRE is an environment that provide everything needed to run in Java, run a Java application, except for the development tools. It include the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, Java Class Library, and other supporting files. Its component is JVM, Java Virtual Machine, executes Java bytecode on the host machine. Java Class Library, a set of precompiled classes and method that provide standard functionalities. Java in Java plugin and web start enable running Java applets in web browser and launching application from the web. Uh, Second one is a JVM. Third one is a JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Uh, the Java Virtual Machine that enable computer to run Java bytecode. It uh, abstract the hardware and operating system uh, detail, providing constant environment for functionalities. Bytecode execution translate the execute Java bytecode instruction. Memory management manage memory including garbage collection. Security infra- enforces Java security features. Platform independence ensure that Java program run consistently across different platform. Is in summary the JDK for Java development, providing platform independence, ensure that Java programming run consistently across different platforms. In summary, the JDK is a JDK for Java development providing tools and libraries that JRE is for running Java applications, including the JVM, that libraries, and the JVM, the virtual machine responsible for Java bytecode. Uh, this is a JVM, JRE, and JDK. Thank you.